Okay. Total word 401. Duration 5 minutes. Speed 80 word per minute. And transcription time 35 minutes. Okay. Ready. Ready. Start. Madam, in India, the constitution provides that the citizens have fundamental rights, and all the fundamental rights are nothing but human rights. The basic law provides that these fundamental rights can be enforced by moving the courts for their protection. For instance, the Prevention of Untouchability Act is one of the most important laws which protect the fundamental rights of the citizens in our country. Para. Madam, I would like to thank the honorable members for having shown so much of interest in the amendments suggested to this law by the government and for having given very good suggestions. I would like to limit my comments to the general principles relating to the human rights, honorable members, and then conclude my reply on this bill. Para. We all know that in the parliament as well as in the state legislatures, questions are asked from the government as to how the fundamental rights were violated and as to how the government failed to protect the fundamental rights of the citizens. That is one of the most powerful instruments available to the representatives of the people to protect the fundamental rights. We have a strong judiciary in our country. At the apex is the Supreme Court. At the penultimate level are the high courts, and at district and taluk levels there are lower courts. Through these courts, the fundamental rights given to the citizens are protected. And fortunately for us, we have a very strong media in our country. Every violation of a fundamental rights is highlighted in the media, in the newspapers, and now on televisions. Those facts are brought to the notice of the government and the people in the country. Every violation of a fundamental right is highlighted in the media, in the newspapers, and now on televisions. Those facts are brought to the notice of the government and the people in the country. Every violation of a fundamental right is highlighted in the media, in the newspapers, and now on televisions. Those facts are brought to the notice of the government and the people in the country. Media is a very powerful instrument for creating public opinion. The media does not have the power to punch anybody directly, yet the public opinion is so strong that the fundamental rights of the citizens are protected. Over and above this, the National Human Rights Commission are brought into existence, it was provided in the law itself that the state governments may have the state human rights commissions. This is over and above what was already available to the people in the country. Para. Madam, one of the amendments which has been suggested is not allowing the magistrate to refer the matter to the Human Rights Commissions. Para.